Spooky, scary, kid-friendly? What are you going to pick for your students to play this fall? Autumn is one of the most favorite times in my studio, and I have 3 piano pieces that I arranged for my students because they just love to play fall music. I want to share the first one with you because it's so fun for group lessons, for ensembles, just for overall fun. Let's talk about Pass the Pumpkin. Here is a little of how it goes. Pass the pumpkin round and round. Listen to that minor sound. Ooh, ooh, will it stop on you? Boo! Pass the Pumpkin is fun because you can teach steps and skips, minor tonality, also steady beat, so many fun things. This piece is notated for beginners. They can learn how to cross over for one note, the flat note. It's super easy to teach by rote, and your students will love it. When they're ready, add on the equal part duet. Next, let's talk about Vivaldi. The Four Seasons is one of my favorites, and Autumn is no stranger to most classical loving musicians. But students also love to be introduced to classical tunes. So why not give them an accessible piano piece that stays right in the middle of the piano for young beginners? Here's a little of my arrangement of Autumn by Vivaldi. Hope you forgive that little finger blip, but I just wanted to pop on here and share a little of Autumn by Vivaldi. This piece comes with 3 options: solo, duet, or trio. All equal part, all fun for beginning piano students. Lastly, I've got something really easy and also from the classical genre, In the Hall of the Mountain King by Grieg. Now, I just wanted a snippet of the melody just to get their appetite going for this classical piece. So take a listen to In the Hall of the Mountain King. Short and sweet, just like students like it. And when they're ready, add on the equal part duet. Now, what can you do as a teacher? Mix and match these parts and go to my website. You'll find the link in the description, pianomusicforkids.com. These pieces are available for studio license. That means buy it once, print it for as many students as you currently teach or teach in the future. It's a great budget saver, and I can't wait to meet you over there as we talk about fall songs for piano.